The earthquake. An earthquake is the shaking of the surface of the earth resulting from the sudden release of energy in the earth's lithosphere that creates seismic waves. Earthquake's point of initial rupture is called its seismic focus or hypocenter. The epicenter is the point at ground level directly above the hypocenter. The epicenter is the point where the waves of an earthquake are first observed. All natural earthquakes occur in the lithosphere. There are three basic types of seismic waves. First, primary waves, P wave. They are similar to sound waves. They are also known as longitudinal waves. P waves travel faster than any other waves. Their intensity of travel depends upon the density of the rock they encounter. Since they are the fast traveling seismic wave, hence are the first signal from an earthquake to arrive at any affected location or at seismograph. P waves may be transmitted through gases, liquids or solids. Secondary waves, S wave. They are similar to light waves. They are also known as transverse waves. These waves arrive after the primary waves and travel slower than the primary waves. The secondary waves can travel only through solid materials. Third, surface waves. These waves travel slower than the other two waves and can travel only through the crust of the earth. Surface waves travel around the globe before reaching the epicenter. Epicenter. Surface waves are the most damaging of all the waves. Surface waves are of two types, love waves and relic waves. In these two waves, love waves have high speed. The magnitude of an earthquake is the indication of the energy released. The magnitude of the earthquake is measured on Richter scale and intensity or Mercalli scale.